If you prefer to remove your face and body hair, we're sure you're more than familiar with all the side effects that come along with it, like painful inflammation, tiny bumps and boils, strawberry legs, ingrown hair, and everything else that makes the results almost not even worth the trouble. But as always at Glamorous, we have a simple solution to this very real problem. Clogged pores are one of the biggest reasons for most of the skin issues you deal with. Avoiding this is easy enough, but it takes a little prep and planning. Grab a damp hot towel and place it over the areas you're going to be working on for a couple of minutes. This will help soften your skin to get off to a great start. Then throw together a simple homemade scrub with brown sugar and a lightweight oil. We prefer jojoba, but you can use your favorite. Use it to get rid of dead skin cells and loosen up all the tiny little hair so that when you get to the hair removal part, it'll feel like your hair is practically sliding off. Although exfoliation helps, no amount of it is going to get you 100% free of ingrowths. So we've made a brand new cooling gel to soothe skin, reduce pigmentation and save us from that horrible itchiness and inflammation. Say hello to Fuzz Off. It fits perfectly into your hair removal routine. Just apply right after you're done shaving or waxing and let it start working its magic to soothe any immediate redness you might have. Then follow up once a day for at least 10 days after your hair removal, because that's when the chances of ingrown hair are at its peak. You can do it anytime, but make sure it's on clean, dry skin. If you remove your hair often or struggle with bad ingrowths, then keep going and continue to use it daily. Our absolute favorite part is that this cream can be used all over your body. Yes, even on your frustrating bikini line and on your face too. We've added some amazing ingredients, stuff that's really good for your skin, like tea tree oil, avocado oil, neem extracts, and vitamin E. It's also completely fragrance and dye free, with no nasties like SLS, parabens, and silicones either. Now, Fuzz Off is only available on Glamorous.com. So if you haven't checked out the site in a while, take a look at it after our last tip. So we've got you covered with the before and after of hair removal. But what about the during? Here are some pro tips in case you weren't already following them. Throw away that blunt razor blade. You know what I'm talking about. The one that's been in your bathroom since forever. It's not going to lift the hair up from your skin smoothly, gently, or even just adequately. You're going to be left with razor burns and ingrown hair guaranteed. Grab a nice sharp new one and it'll make all the difference. If you're waxing or epilating, make sure your skin is bone dry so that none of the hair stays stuck down, ending in painful tugging and irritation. Dab a little powder on the area if you need to. We definitely have a love-hate relationship with this part of our beauty routine, but hopefully Fuzz Off can make it a little more love and a little less hate. Thanks for watching and we hope you enjoy this product. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.